Welcome to Scarborough, the heart of the East in Toronto, a place where culture, community, and city life come together. From the busy lanes of Highway 401 to the vibrant energy of Scarborough Town Centre, this is where stories begin and new journeys take shape. Come with us and explore the town that moves with the city, yet holds its unique soul. Scarborough is a vibrant district in the eastern part of Toronto, Ontario, Canada. It's a place full of energy, culture, and diversity. At its core is Scarborough Town Centre, a central hub that brings people together from all walks of life. Surrounded by wide roads, high-rise buildings, parks, schools, and neighborhoods, Scarborough is where city life meets community spirit. The Scarborough Town Centre, often called STC, is one of the largest shopping malls in the city. It stands right next to Highway 401, making it easy to reach from anywhere in the Greater Toronto area. The mall is more than just a shopping place, it's a meeting point, a food destination, and a symbol of how Scarborough continues to grow. Inside the mall, you'll find a mix of big-name stores, local businesses, a food court, and even a movie theater. It's always busy, especially on weekends filled with families, students, and workers grabbing a bite, shopping for deals, or just relaxing indoors. The space is modern, clean, and full of life. In many ways, STC reflects the energy and diversity that Scarborough is known for. Just outside the mall, the streets are wide and active. Highway 401, one of the busiest highways in North America, runs straight through Scarborough. It connects people from across the city and beyond. Cars, buses, and trucks travel up and down this massive roadway day and night, helping move the city forward. Though it's a busy route, it's also a vital lifeline connecting homes, jobs, and businesses throughout Toronto. Close to the highway is the Scarborough Centre subway station, a major transit stop on the TTC. It's part of the light rail system, helping thousands of commuters get where they need to go every day. You can see buses lined up in rows, people walking to work or school, and the constant hum of city life. It's a snapshot of daily life in a fast-growing city. But Scarborough is more than malls and roads. It's also a place full of neighborhoods, each with its own identity and culture. From Malvern to Agincourt, from Woburn to Guildwood, Scarborough is a patchwork of communities. Many families have lived here for decades, while new immigrants continue to settle in and bring new energy to the area. People from all over the world call Scarborough home, speaking many languages, practicing many traditions, and sharing their lives in a peaceful and respectful way. Walk a few minutes away from the busy roads, and you'll find schools, libraries, parks, and community centers. Kids play basketball, seniors go for walks, and families gather for barbecues on warm summer days. There's a strong sense of belonging here. People wave to neighbors, help each other out, and care about the spaces they live in. One of Scarborough's strengths is its diversity. It's home to people from countries like India, China, Sri Lanka, the Philippines, Jamaica, Nigeria, Afghan, and many more. This shows up in the food, music, festivals, and everyday conversations you'll hear around the town. Local restaurants serve everything from spicy curry to jerk chicken, from Chinese dumplings to Filipino adobo. Walking through a local plaza is like taking a world tour. There are also many schools and colleges in the area. University of Toronto Scarborough Campus UTSC is a major center for learning and research. It brings students and professionals to Scarborough from across the province and around the world. The Centennial College Progress Campus is another important part of the town's educational network. These schools help shape the future, offering opportunities and training for young people. Around the town center, you will also see signs of growth. New condos rise along the skyline. Cranes work on construction sites. Plans are underway to build more transit, more housing, and more public spaces. Scarborough is changing, growing, and improving every year. It's not just keeping up with Toronto, it's becoming one of the city's most important areas. Green spaces are also a big part of what makes Scarborough special. Even in the busy town center, you're never far from a park. Thompson Memorial Park and Albert Campbell Square, right near STC, are spots where people come to relax, celebrate, and enjoy outdoor events. Scarborough loves nature, and that love continues all the way to its stunning bluffs and beaches to the south, but even in the heart of town, there's always a place to breathe. In the evenings, when traffic slows and the sky turns pink, the streets around Scarborough Town Centre take on a new calm. Lights from office buildings and condos begin to shine. The mall glows in the distance. People head home after a day of work or school, while others arrive for a night shift or a late movie. Scarborough doesn't sleep, it just shifts. Here's something very real and grounded about this part of the city. It's not flashy or fancy, it's practical, hardworking, and full of heart. It's where dreams begin for many newcomers. It's where kids grow up surrounded by many cultures and languages. It's where small businesses open and grow. Scarborough is a place of opportunity. Though it's often misunderstood or overlooked by outsiders, people who live in Scarborough know the truth. This is a place full of pride, full of strength, and full of potential. The town center and its surroundings are proof of that. From the noise of the 401 to the busy corridors of STC, from quiet parks to buzzing sidewalks, Scarborough is alive. Scarborough is also famous for its natural beauty. Just a short drive south from the town center brings you to the breathtaking Scarborough Bluffs. These tall white cliffs rise above the shore of Lake Ontario. From the top, you can see the blue water stretching out forever. Below, Bluffers Park Beach is a perfect spot for summer picnics, swimming, or just watching the waves. It's one of the most peaceful places in the entire city. Rouge Park is another beautiful and important natural area located in Scarborough. Toronto. It is part of Rouge National Urban Park, which is the first of its kind in Canada. The park is known for its scenic trails, forests, rivers, and wildlife, offering a peaceful escape from the busy city. People can enjoy activities like hiking, biking, birdwatching, and even visiting the beach at Rouge River. It also has a rich cultural history, including Indigenous heritage and old farm sites. Rouge Park is a great place for families and nature lovers to explore and learn more about the environment right in the heart of the city. Rouge Park has over 50 square kilometers of protected land. One of the great features of Rouge Park is its connection to history. It includes ancient Indigenous sites that are thousands of years old, as well as old farm buildings and historical landmarks from early European settlers. The park helps protect these important cultural sites while giving people a place to relax and connect with nature. Families often visit the park to enjoy the trails and spend time at Rouge Beach, where the Rouge River meets Lake Ontario. In the summer, the park becomes a popular spot for picnics and outdoor fun. Rouge Park is also home to many kinds of plants and animals, some of which are rare or endangered, making it an important place for conservation.